planning a flooring project? Choosing the right tool can make all the difference. In this video, we'll compare floor cutters and tile cutters to help you pick the best one for your job. What is a floor cutter? A floor cutter is a handy manual tool designed to cut softer flooring materials like vinyl, laminate, and linoleum. It works by scoring the material with a sharp blade, then using a lever to snap the flooring along the score line. This makes it perfect for DIYers working on small to medium-sized projects. The beauty of the floor cutter lies in its simplicity. No need for power tools or messy dust. It's lightweight, portable, and requires minimal setup. However, floor cutters do have their limitations. They're best for softer, thinner materials and struggle with tougher surfaces like thick tiles or stone. For these reasons, it's ideal for home improvement projects where you're working with vinyl or laminate, but may not be suitable for high-end professional tiling jobs. So, if you're looking for an easy-to-use tool for soft floors, the floor cutter is a solid choice. What is a tile cutter? Tile cutters, on the other hand, are specifically designed for tougher materials like ceramic, porcelain, and stone tiles. There are two main types: manual tile cutters and wet tile saws. Manual tile cutters use a similar mechanism to floor cutters, with a scoring blade and snap function, but they're calibrated to handle the density of tile surfaces. Wet tile saws are more advanced, motorized tools that use water to cool the blade and minimize dust. Wet saws are ideal for cutting through thick tiles, making intricate angles and ensuring a smooth, precise finish. Tile cutters are generally more expensive and bulkier than floor cutters, but they offer greater precision and power for dealing with tough materials. If you're working on a tiling project, a tile cutter is essential for achieving the sharp, clean edges you need, especially if you're laying ceramic or stone tiles. Key differences between floor cutters and tile cutters. The primary difference between floor cutters and tile cutters comes down to the materials they are designed to handle. Floor cutters excel at cutting softer materials like vinyl, laminate, and linoleum. Their manual design and simple lever mechanism make them great for quick, precise cuts on thinner floors. In contrast, tile cutters are built to withstand harder materials, such as ceramic and porcelain. Manual tile cutters use a similar scoring mechanism, but are built for the durability of tile. Wet saws, which are motorized, offer smoother, more intricate cuts with a water-cooled blade, making them ideal for complex tile layouts. Tile cutters are perfect for professionals or anyone working with tougher surfaces, where precision and power are necessary. Floor cutters are portable, compact, and ideal for small-scale DIY projects, whereas tile cutters, especially wet saws, are bulkier, require more setup, and are typically used in larger, more demanding projects. If you're working with softer materials in a smaller space, the floor cutter is your go-to tool. But for professional-grade tile work, a tile cutter is your best bet. Which tool is right for your project? Choosing between a floor cutter and a tile cutter depends largely on the materials you're working with and the size of your project. If you're laying vinyl or laminate flooring in a small room, a floor cutter will do the job efficiently and accurately. It's a cost-effective, portable tool that's perfect for DIYers who want quick, clean cuts without the hassle of power tools. For tile work, whether it's ceramic, porcelain, or stone, a tile cutter is a must. If you're tiling a bathroom, kitchen, or outdoor patio, a manual tile cutter can be an affordable option. But for more intricate or heavy-duty projects, a wet saw will deliver superior results. Wet saws can handle thicker tiles and provide smoother, more precise cuts, including intricate angles and curves, making them ideal for complex layouts. Consider your project size and timeline as well. For larger projects, a wet saw will save you time and effort. But for smaller, quick jobs, a floor cutter's simplicity will get the job done with minimal fuss. Make sure to match the tool to your material and project scope for the best results. In conclusion, the right tool for your flooring project depends on the material and scale of your work. Choose wisely to ensure clean, precise cuts every time. Happy flooring!